All right, so I'm here at Anthemion in Oia, and this is this beautiful shop in which Vassiliki, the owner, is building and creating and making these gorgeous marionettes and masks. She makes some of the dolls that are featured here, but all of the masks and marionettes. It's a very unique and special shop here in Oia. She's also selling jewelry and all kinds of stuff. So it's called Anthemion. And we're here in Oia with Vassiliki, the owner and the creator. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. So can you tell me a little bit about your shop? What are you making here?
I made about them, about the marionette. I'm working about 28 years.
Okay.
And I'm still here in this shop in Oia about 23 years.
Wow.
And I have a workshop in Athens, and I'm working all the winter time about them, and then bring them here in my shop.
Nice.
Yeah.
You have an amazing number of creations in here. What is your background? How did you come to this work?
Some of them, they are from the Greek fairy tale, like a clown, like Pinocchio, like Puss in Boots. Meow, meow, Puss in Boots, you know about the...
Puss in Boots, yeah.
Yes, yeah, the fairy tale.
Okay.
And the other, I use my imagination.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so is each piece one of a kind, a new creation, or do you make the same type of piece over and over again?
Tell me again, because I cannot understand very well.
Each piece is only one piece, or sometimes...
No, sometimes, the people buy like very much the clown and Puss in Boots and violist. For these pieces, I made 10 pieces. For the big one, it's just one piece. It's a unique, yes.
And your shop here in Oia is very different from all of the other shops.
Yes, because they are handmade. They are you can see different things. It's not the same with the next shop, you know.
Yeah.
Different because they are handmade. The people now they don't make handmade. You look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I noticed it when I was walking by, and I thought, this looks. It caught my interest, and I thought, I'm sure there is a story inside of here. Great.
Look, for example, for this one,
Yeah,
for this one, for the violins, I need about 5 days.
5 days.
5 days.
Okay.
Their body inside stuffed with a cotton. Their body inside is stuffed with a cotton. They can hang, they can sit, they can move, but they are not of personality. The people buy them as decoration because they are piece of art.
And are you also someone who
They
is
can move.
the marionette? Can you show me?
Of course, yes, I show you. I show you. Look, now this one. I show you this one. The jester, the choker.
The jester.
Yeah, the choker. Like this. We can move like this. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Okay. Look at me. I'm dancing now. I'm dancing now. Now.
Nice. Can you show me a couple of other pieces?
Another thing. It's a hand, it's nice. So, wait. I'm fine. This is it, the hand. Wait. I saw you the clown outside. Wait. Just a minute.
I have a question.
This one.
Yes, if you have, I'm ready.
For instance, this one, how much is it?
Look the clown. This is very nice. This is I made by leather. It's leather. It's leather. Yes.
And all of these materials come from Athens?
Yes. In Santorini, it's not easy to find something like this. No.
Vassiliki?
Yes. This is. I spent a lot of time to find the material because it's the very nice quality, you know. Yes.
And is this?
Leather. This is a clown.
Yeah, I see. And is this a very Greek theme or universal?
The clown, it's for many countries. It's, you know. Yeah.
And
Portuguese.
in your work, Is it mostly Greek focused or kind of universal?
Yes. This one is yes.
Nice. Can you show me some masks?
Mask? Yes, of course. I saw the mask. The mask. The mask is just one piece. This one. This is just one. I cannot make the same exactly. This is just one. It's a unique piece. And this one I made, and it's leather. Eh? This is leather. The leaf, the flower, it's leather. And the face, it's a ceramic. And this one is leather, and this one is leather.
And the jewelry? Do you make the jewelry? No.
Not the jewelry.
Nice.
Like this. I think it's enough. It's enough.
Yes, in terms of the things that you offer. Nice.
Yeah.
And what are some of these?
Some of these. It's like these. The widths.
Yeah.
I made this one.
Okay.
Can I see? Wait. This one. Oh, no. This one.
You made it.
Yes.
You painted it and everything.
Some
Yeah.
of them. And can I see? And this one. And this one.
Nice. And Vassiliki, I have a question for you. How is it for you to interact with tourists from all over the world, knowing that your artwork, your creations are going out all over the world, returning with these tourists to their home? How does that make you feel? Yeah.
That's okay. I feel good. The people like very much the marionettes. I feel good. But you know, it's for me. It's something natural. It's my job.
Yeah.
I'm working 28 years. It's okay.
Nice. And do you have where did this work start for you? How did you begin making
I was
marionettes?
painting, and then it was easy for me to change. So easy. I start alone. I begin to make alone. Nobody learn about them. Understand?
Yes, I do. Great. I'm here with Vassiliki in Anthemion in Oia Santorini in a very unique and special shop. She makes marionettes and masks. And here at Santorini Dave, we're not only talking about hotels and restaurants, we're trying to tell all kinds of unique stories. So, Vassiliki, thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from SantoriniDave.com.